Hi crafters! I have not been doing very many videos lately, and I really am about to have a lot more time because I have been working pretty much full time on renovating our sailboat. It is finally finished. It has taken just 8 months on the hard, 2 years on anchor, and we're just about to go out into the ocean and start living out there. My mind's been blown. Today we've all set up because we're going to have a bit of a launch party, so I've been cleaning like mad. But before everyone gets here, let me just quickly show you my craft studio. So I'm going to line all of these cupboards with all the things I'll need, and this will be one of my rooms that I kind of pack full of things that I can craft with on a daily basis. And then we'll have my kids come to stay. We can do crafts together. Oh my gosh, I'll be sharing so many more videos now. I've got heaps of polymer clay, heaps of fur, heaps of wool, heaps of macrame. You name it, we're going to be doing it. I hope you enjoy coming on this journey with me. But let me show you the outside of the boat. Oh, and the captain's brought lunch.